My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Autosleepers Symbol Plus. This vehicle has done just under 9,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our sofa bed. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into our double bed. That's alongside our belted seat and our two in the front, making this camper 2-berth, 3 belts. As we go into the back, we can see our kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, oven, sink, and our fridge just behind. Just behind is our bathroom, complete with a sink, toilet, and shower. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature. On our screen, we can access radio, media, navigation, Bluetooth, and our clock, compass, and trip. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that we have our rear view camera. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.